Have you ever sunk your teeth into a crisp, hot and spicy and then thought to yourself, man, for the same price I could have a clapped out 1972 Volkswagen Beetle?
I know that I have, which is why when we saw this come up for 1 penny, we knew we couldn't pass that up. And last episode, via questionable means, we got an engine, a transmission, and a whole lot of other random parts. We are $0 into this as of this moment. Now last time, after hours of labor getting all those new old parts installed, we couldn't get this thing started.
But today, we're not just gonna start it. We're gonna add some sick cosmetic updates and drive this thing on its first maiden voyage to McDonald's and grab ourselves 2 hot and spicy chickens, which cost more than this entire car. This is our quest to build the Free-Beetle.
These are our goals for today. Take care of the rust.
Oh, would you look at that?
We have a great plan for that. Stay tuned.
I love how giant the font is.
To fix our brakes. The next thing, fuel. To make it drive and run and everything. Can we make our wheels sexy? And the final thing,
Infinite McDonald's glitch.
infinite McDonald's glitch.
So while McKay started working on the engine, doing some goofy surgery stuff on the distributor, I decided that I should work on the brakes. Our brake pedal wouldn't even go down. It was completely stuck in place. That meant we had a bad brake master cylinder, and so we got a new one.
Now I know what you guys are thinking. How are you buying stuff if you have a $0 budget? Well, last episode we bought a $200 dune buggy and we sold the wheels from that dune buggy for $200. And after that, there's a transmission we sold for $300, an exhaust we sold for $25. And so basically, we've got $325 from this dune buggy. We're using that money to buy our little extra parts here and there to keep this thing a $0 car. This is what we need to replace right here.
As you can see, there's kind of like a bird's nest looking thing right here that I had to clean out. And I was praying that no dead creatures were gonna fall onto my face while I was doing this.
I swear if a bird comes out right now, dead bird, do not come out.
After finally getting that nasty boy out, McKay came over and was like, yo, the engine is done. Let's turn this thing over for the first time in 25 years. And so that is what we did.
Okay, that is a lot of starting fluid. Ready?
Okay, hold up.
So with the engine starting up, all we needed to do was get some fuel to it.
All right, guys, welcome to Gas Tank Reveal, a show where we look at the gas tank and reveal it. Reveal the tank. Not the worst. Now I know what you're thinking. How are we gonna keep our $0 budget if we have to replace the tank? Well, what's this? A perfectly good gas tank, just sitting around. The old dune buggy tank. At this point, we were like, shoot, we gotta lock in if we wanna make it to McDonald's on time. And so I quickly removed the tires and shipped them off to our boy. Tires are like bananas. You don't wanna put the ripe ones next to the old ones, otherwise they get like infected, you know? Now everybody's got that boy who can mountain balance tires for free. Shout out our boy. Anyways, so when I got back with the new tires, we got hit with some bad news.
If they correct it, we'll bleep the name out here. But if they don't correct the issue, we won't. I think it's priority tire.
This is a brand new tire, and there's a ginormous freaking bulge in it. This bulge is the biggest bulge I've ever seen.
It's a big bulge.
After buying these crappy tires for about $150, our budget from the dune buggy was completely gone. And so we had to resort to some kind of not good things.
We are so out of budget that this is our cap now because we don't have enough money for that. This is what's holding on our exhaust here because we don't even have the money for the bolts. Like,
We lost the bolts.
I lost the bolts.
And they were like broken on some of them, I think, so.
No, I just lost them.
And just when we thought things couldn't get any worse, they did.
Broke right off.
Let's see how bad this is.
Our brake line was completely gone. So we had 0 brakes. And then things got even worse than that.
We don't have our clutch cable hooked up. Go check and see.
Our clutch was not working at all. As time went on, the list of things we needed got longer and longer. Like, our tires were bad, our brakes weren't working, our clutch wasn't engaging, our throttle cable wasn't long enough, our floor pans were completely rusted out. Like, this may have been a huge mistake. Until it wasn't.
Going the wrong way! You're going the wrong way!
How the heck do I go backwards?
Put it in reverse, Terry! You don't want to hit these cars right here. Slow down! Yeah. Oh, he's ripping. Oh, he's ripping. Oh.
Last time we left off, sad and depressed. But guess where we are, the land of happiness.
But here's the thing, we are here because we have solved our issues. 3 things have been solved. First is the brakes. Now the brakes, I've added a brake shoe. Boom. Show the people.
Let me show you real fast. POV, there's a car in front of us, we have to stop. Uh-oh, boom, brake shoe, boom. 100% no mistakes guaranteed. I would bet my life that this thing breaks our car, okay?
On the freeway.
On the freeway, POV 80 miles an hour.
Now the clutch is supposed to have a little bit of free play. Ours doesn't. That's the only way I can make it work.
There we go. And our third issue is still not resolved, but it will help us brake when we need it.
Yep.
Remember that tire that had a bulge in it?
tire, well, they said, hey, we're not going to pay for anything, but we'll give you a new free tire, so now I have to pay to mount and balance it again because of their mistake. But look, their mistake is our happiness because it breaks for us.
Let's go get us some McDonald's. Check it out, bros. We're moving. Let's go. This thing is the first drive in like 25 years, and it is literally clutching up right now. Oh, that's time to order? Let me hit the brakes real quick. Ooh, that worked like butter.
We would like 2 of your finest hot and spicy McChickens. No, that's it.
Extra mayonnaise.
Awesome, thank you.
It's crazy the prices they're charging these days. Oh, brake. Brake, dude, you're getting too close to that F-150, McKay.
Dude, you're acting like I'm not, like, good at this.
Hey, bro, if it weren't for me and my shoe brake, we would be paying child support to this guy.
No, dude.
We would be paying his insurance.
He has a hitch, dude. He'd be paying us because he backed into us.
That's
all right?
true.
Remember.
That's
all
right. We have a dash cam to make sure that
we have a dash.
We need to
Oh,
put it
shoot. This is disintegrated. And you inhaled it,
You
bro.
literally made me inhale the
We got this, dude. This is working way better than we thought.
Literally, like, if any of you guys have seen our dune buggy video, it would not start up to save its life. This engine literally starts up every single time.
And it's because
we
had a carburetor we could actually rebuild.
exactly,
this time
we
that
had a
wasn't
good
seized.
carburetor.
Yeah, let us hear him.
Yo, what's up, dude? Thank you, brother.
Would you believe us if we told you that we were into this car less than those hot and spices?
I would. Give us a rip, bro.
Yeah! Let me show the people. When I push this in, it doesn't come back. So I actually have to grab it with my foot and pull it back. So that's how I've been driving it the whole time, was literally gripping it with my foot.
That's sus, bro.
I know, dude. I shouldn't show those feet pics on the internet.
Don't show those on the internet. You see that gas tank right there? Yeah. That's our gas
That's our fuel.
Probably the only people who have ever come up to us are kids. Cheers, bro. Cheers.
Oh, great.
I wish that you would stay. I'd have you here for one last night. I can see it on your face.